Welcome back to your class, and now we are looking at what is magnet. Okay, so magnet basically you can understand as it is a kind of stones or metals. They are able to attract magnetic materials. Of course, it includes magnets also lah. It able to attract magnetic materials and magnet, and it can repel magnet also. Now, important to take note is we learn about magnetic material, right? Okay. So basically there's three important things here: magnetic material, non-magnetic material, and magnets. So magnets can attract magnets. It can attract magnetic material. Magnet can repel magnet. That's all. Magnet cannot repel magnetic materials. Okay. And with that in mind, I actually came up with this small little table. I just want you to actually kind of write it down, okay? Magnets can attract magnet and magnetic material, okay? And magnets can repel magnet. That's all, okay? Magnetic material can be attracted by magnet. Can it repel anything or repel by anything? No. Can non-magnetic material attracted by anything? No. Can it be repelled by anything? No. Okay, so this is something, a short little table for you to help you to understand better. Okay, so natural materials, also known natural magnets, also known as lodestones, and magnets come in different shapes and sizes. So it depends on what you want, or depends on the type of experiment that you want to have. So we have U-shaped magnets, we have bar magnet, we have ring magnet, we have button magnets, and no matter what kind of shapes or size, it depends on the usage. Okay, so there are different things that I've listed here. So the first good thing about magnets, probably at household, is it able to hold things together. So sometimes you use magnet to hold papers on magnetic whiteboard. Okay, probably your class whiteboard, and even your what, your fridge door. Okay, it can be magnetic. Then you can put something there, right? Okay, and one of the good use is like a button magnet. Okay, this is what we usually put the button magnet there. Okay, and some of the things we have even magnetic door stop to keep the doors open. You open the door, then there's a kind of magnet to hold and attract, and it holds the door. And second, we have magnet as a very good tools for to find direction, like a compass. Okay, so the needle in the compass will always rest in the direction of north-south direction. Okay, because it's a magnet. So third one, we also have magnet as a tool to able to store information, like hard disk drive. Okay, or even your bank cards or MRT cards works the same way also. And the fourth usage of magnets is probably separating magnetic objects from non-magnetic objects. Okay, and with that you have something called the electromagnets, which is something that is actually kind of important. So let me just zoom in a bit. So electromagnets are used to lift and separate ions from steel objects from other ways. Okay, so for example, as you can see, this is the thing. They put the materials here, then it will like have the magnetic roller to roll. But if it's magnetic, it will still absorb and continue rolling here, right? If it's not magnetic, it will just it will go to here. Okay, the non-magnetic particles. But when it comes to here, it cannot still attract, right? Or else it will go again, move on, go on and go on, right? So what happens is when it comes to here, then here they will lose magnetic. Means that the electromagnets allow it to attract and lose magnet. Okay, then that's why the magnetic materials will drop and being kept here. Okay, so it's kind of like they have magnetism all the time, then slowly they will lose magnetism because they want to get rid of the magnetic particles also. Okay, so as you can see, we have something called the electromagnetic overband metal separators, which you might see some of these questions later on in your exam. Okay, so this is kind of the machine in real life. And last but not least, we also see magnets in many electric appliance, example like washing machine, blender, and all these things. Okay, so many lah. And that's all for the small little things about magnets. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.